Welcome to Learning to Create a Website with Dreams for Schools. Today's going to be about getting started and having your account set up so you're ready to code. Thank you everyone for joining us. We're going to share with you a little bit about Dreams for Schools and our Coding at Home initiative, and then we'll go through the overview of the class and how you're going to be able to set up your accounts to be ready to code and make your own website. At Dreams for Schools, we make STEM approachable and accessible for all, empowering students, cultivating curiosity. By providing the right tools and experience, we help kids program the futures. At this time, we've launched a Coding at Home initiative because we know that everybody's staying home and staying safe, and learning is impacted all around. So Coding at Home provides resources for K-12 students and parents to continue to learn computer science and coding on a weekly basis at the comfort of your own home. We hope you'll check out our website throughout the next few months as we launch more and more resources on a weekly basis for your use. So, what are you going to be learning in this class? You're going to be learning about coding languages of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You're going to be becoming a confident coder with weekly practice assignments and independent practice, all on the way to creating your own personal website by the end of this class with certain fun guidelines and criteria. You're probably wondering, what is the website going to look like once I'm done with it? Well, here's some samples to show you. Here's a website by one of the instructors that will be teaching this course, Mr. Michael, who's created an About Me section, my favorite games section, my favorite books, videos, and a random amiibo. So you can click this and it'll change to different ones. Here's another website by Mr. Victor, who's also another one of your instructors that will be teaching it. He's got his About Me section, he's got his favorite hobbies, he's got his favorite books, favorite movies, and so forth. These are just some of the types of websites that you can learn to create throughout this class. What we're going to do is we're going to guide you and suggest some sections that we recommend that you include, like an avatar, an About Me section, your favorite games, your favorite memes perhaps, books, videos, and any additional items and sections that you may want to add. The possibilities are pretty open here, and it's up to you on how you'd like to do that. To get started, we're going to create our accounts today on Replit, which is the coding platform we'll be using. This is where you'll get access to your assignments, and this is where you'll learn to code and create your project for your website. On our website, we've included a link to join the classroom. You can go ahead and click that button there on the website, or you can copy and paste the link to go into the classroom. I'm going to go ahead and click on this to go into the classroom, and you'll be on this page here. Welcome to creating a website with Dreams for Schools. What we recommend is that you log in with Google by clicking the G there. So that's what we're going to do now. And it's going to have you sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here, enter my password. And once you're logged in, you'll be on this screen where it says Classrooms. You'll want to go ahead and click it, and that's where you'll be directed to this page. This is the page where your assignments will be listed for you as you go through the course. Every week, we'll release a new set of assignments. That way you can complete them, get enough practice, and be on your way to creating your own website. This is the overall platform, Replit. Down here under assignments, you can expand and retract it, and we're going to go ahead and click on our first one, which is Hello World. Once we do, you'll be here on your assignment page. On the left, you'll see a few things. You'll see this little index.html page where you can type in different things. You'll see on the bottom here, you've got a results and a console section. And on your right, you have instructions from your teacher. This is where you'll get your weekly instructions and actions on what to complete. What we're going to do now is set up a few things so that we're ready to code. We're going to click on these 3 dots here on the top left so that we can open and close this menu. This is the menu where you can customize different things, like your theme. You can go from light to dark. I'm going to keep it light. You can keep your font size tiny, normal, large. Let's stick with large for today. And you can change certain things like indent type, which we're going to change to tabs, because coding in tabs will make it easier. And then we're going to change our indent size to 4. You can mess around with the rest of it, but for now, that's all I'm going to do. You'll also notice there's these sliding bars that help you expand and retract the windows and adjust it accordingly. This is useful when you want more room to type your code in this little box here, or when you want less room and you want to see your results. So you can play around with these sliders on the right and bottom and figure out what you'd like to adjust your window size to be. What we're going to do now, is complete your first assignment, which is to add Hello World to your website and click Run. So you're probably wondering where you want to do that. Again, your box right here in the top left is your coding window. So I'm going to type in Hello World and press Run, and voila, looks like we've got a result which says Hello World. This is the first step into creating your environment so that you're ready to code. You'll be doing a lot of rigorous coding in this area going forward. So go ahead and read the instructions on the right from your teacher and try it out. What you'll learn in the next class is HTML. You'll learn about tags, layouts, and how web pages work. And you'll learn to explore more of the Replit platform. Until next time, thank you for joining us, and we hope you get your account set up and enroll in the class so that we can get you on your way to creating your own website.